who had the knowledge and wisdom. So yeah, it has been an uphill task, but it's been very interesting for us, and we feel that we put the right bricks in the place, and hopefully Percept can build a nice skyscraper in the business.
So what's the winning formula now?
No, the way it's still the passion.
See, item number.
Okay.
Really, I mean, it gets you going, doesn't it?
Absolutely. But interesting.
Target audience.
The truth prevails.
To quote,
We should call him. We'll make a movie for you called Item Number.
I like it.
2 hours, 40 minutes, non-stop.
But it's so obvious. I mean, it's so obvious.
It is, yeah.
And here's the thing: it should be called item number 1.
Yeah.
And it must have Akshay Kumar.
Sequels.
No, but here, I mean, I might say what I want, but the fact is that I'm pretty much quoting you when you say this, that you make every effort to make sure that there isn't cleavage in the movies that you produce and are associated with. That's a leap to make in this day and age.
In this day and
Where
age,
do you think they are from?
In more than one place, as it turns out.
Yeah.
Are you saying it's untrue?
No, it's not. No, it's
Then
not.
that takes
No.
the conversation
No,
over.
no, I didn't say I don't like cleavage, but I'm saying.
Sure.
No. On a serious note, I think we're the largest middle class.
Yes.
And still the nucleus of this country is traditional. It still believes in values. And so, and till now, I believe that families go to see movies.
Yes.
I mean, we all go together. We hardly, we don't go watch a movie on our own. Keeping that in mind, and still that Friday, everybody waits for that one movie where everybody goes. It's not that I will see this one, I will see the other one. It's still not happened, it'll happen later on. In that context, we felt that we should be cautious and not position ourselves with any space that, where the family doesn't respect the brand PPC. So till date, we've played that card tactfully and smartly so. But, in times to come, I mean, I saw Dhoom and I thought Aishwarya looked outstanding in a really sexy short skirt.
Sure.
It worked with the audiences and the families and the kids.
There were some acting ability issues there, but let's not go there.
No, but I felt that was what the consumer wanted. So I'm not saying we'll do that all our lives, but yes, rape, drugs, we try our level best to stay away.
Okay.
And also we've been conscious, Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi had an angle of AIDS. I believe that, the next generation doesn't value life, so drugs, AIDS. So Fir Milenge was a cause cinema where we put the AIDS angle, stuff like that. So we try wherever we can give a nice sensible message.
The other part, tying up with directors, because there has been a trend emerging that you sort of sign on a director for bulk projects, like 3 or 4 movies together. Why? Is it because of cost issues? And the second part of the question is, what happens? Isn't your own risk increasing? Because what if suddenly he stops working at the box office? You still have him on for like the next 3 projects.
Luckily I have an answer for it.
Okay.
If you see, ideally, you see the Bollywood structure of making movies. Bollywood does it, they find an actor, then they look for a director, and then they look for a script. Okay? Hollywood does it, they find a script, and the script is good, they look for a director, and then they go and find the cast. I said cast, no, star.
Not the
Not
star.
stars.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay? Percept has a mid-level formula. We look for a director, and then we find a suitable script, and then we look for actors. So, and this is what show you the entire history and 30 odd movies that we've done. We've done that consistently. And therefore the marriage with the directors. For me, directors are the biggest thing that I know. And therefore, coming from a background of knowing brands and knowing the power of building a brand, we put all that skill set onto the director. He becomes really God for us. So Nagesh or a Madhur or Mr. Priyadarshan, who we work with, we put a lot of energies into the brand Nagesh. Therefore, it's important that the brand Nagesh should not dip. It's not about cinema on a Friday. Because if your director stays afloat and he is motivated, he's going to create great cinema for you from time to time.
Sure.
And therefore there's long marriages because we want to protect the brand. We've invested in the brand, so doing one-offs, it just doesn't make sense to us. Honestly, it doesn't. So we like a slate because we want to protect the brand and build it. So Yuvraj Singh, 8 years, it helps. Because then law of averages, he goes through affairs, he breaks a knee, but he's still in there, he comes back at the big season. So stuff like that. So all talent in your space, including you'll go through your own ups and downs as talent. But the studio or the corporate that you're working with should have the sort of balls and brains to back you.
You have proved differently, so I'm not using Percept Picture Company as an example at all. But here are some vague parameters that we worked with for 2007 as far as Bollywood was concerned. About 50 releases, 3 confirmed hits, possibly a dozen iffy situations, and the rest of them are flops. So we're talking Jannat, most certainly, the movie that Percept made. There is also Jodha Akbar. There is Race.
Khuda Ke Liye and Race.
Khuda Ke Liye, of course, which is something that will come to the first Pakistani movie to be distributed.